Ray Brewer is live outside the store. And Ray, I gather the owner says he has seen the accused in the store before Tuesday. Is that right?
That's right, Sean. The store owner telling us that Hines had been in his place before trying to date one of the girls behind the counter, but she turned him down.
Wearing county jail orange for the first time in his life, according to the prosecution, 22-year-old Nathan Hines appeared by video in Manchester Circuit Court. On Tuesday morning, prosecutors say that Hines draped a towel over his face and tried to rob the Crosstown Variety Store on Manchester's west side. The owner of the store, who didn't want to go on camera, says Hines might have gotten away with it if not for the actions of a delivery man.
All of a sudden I heard the lady at the counter scream, "Ryan, come help, they're robbing me."
For the past 2 years, Gira has been delivering beer to the store. Once he heard the screams, he says he didn't hesitate, running from the back of the store where he was making his delivery to the front by the cash register where the robbery was taking place.
Grabbed the guy, sat him down and told him, "Don't move, don't make me hurt you," but I will. And the police are on their way, and I just held him there until the cops came.
Gira says he thinks of the people on his route as much more than just customers.
Most of my accounts are my friends too, so if someone's screaming for my, for my help, I'm going to help. I'm going to react.
Although he admits that once the adrenaline stopped flowing, he did feel a bit like Jell-O. In court, the defense and prosecution argued over whether or not a cash bail was necessary.
He does not have any criminal history that I'm aware of, Your Honor. However, we are obviously concerned with this type of behavior.
My client does not have a criminal record. He's 22 years old. If he's released, he would be residing with his parents.
Prosecution that some sort of cash bail was necessary and set it at $1,000. Now Hines is due back in court on January 15th. As for Gira, he says he wouldn't hesitate to do it again, although he admits it put him about an hour behind on his route. Reporting live in Manchester, Ray Brewer, WMUR News 9.